Violence with tongue, them want chain up with mind. But a truth in our lungs, it a burn all the time. Grandma say you stand firm, she will been still strong. So me plant me 2 foot, right there on right from wrong. Them build wall, we build ladder. Them drop stone, we get stronger. Every little vibe's a hammer. Knock down fear, brick by corner. Voice of the people that I got that, yeah. Echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't run, even when rain drop. Voice of the people that I got that, hear that, chant it in a patois, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat, drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people that got that. Enough time belly just a roll, pot dry, but we still share. Wealthy man full plate, cold soul. Poor man share crumb, warm care. Them teach we for red gold chain, but them afraid that we gold brain. Once we start question things, system feel real, being themselves dream. We buy wisdom, learn to read between kingdom. Any law we fight freedom, soon get sweet like leaf from wind. Man, voice of the people that I got for real. Echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't drown, even when rain drops. Voice of the people that I got. Stand tall, chant it in a patois, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat, drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people who are lead, if the leader fear. Who are talk, if we disappear. Yod, member said the power they near, right there in your chest, my dear. Yeah, Babylon love when you feel little. Yeah, can't see yourself big like miracle. But river start small, just trickle. Still mash down rock, just tickle. Oh God, the people that I got. Say loud, echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't drown, even when rain drop. One love, voice of the people that I got. One love, chant it in a patois, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat, drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people that I got. joyful refrain. Them want silence with tongue, them want chain up with mind, but the truth in our lungs, it a burn all the time. Grandma say you stand firm, tree we bend still strong. So me plant me 2 foot, right up and right from wrong. Them build wall, we build ladder, them drop stone, we get stronger. Every little vice a hammer, knock down fear, brick by corner. Voice of the people that I got that. Yeah, echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't drown even when rain drop. Voice of the people that I got talk. Chant it in a patois, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people that I got talk. Enough time belly just a roll, heart dry, but we still share. Wealthy man full plate, cold soul. Poor man share from warm care. Them teach we for red gold chain, but them afraid of we gold brain. Once we start question things, system feel real pain. Them sell dream, we buy wisdom. Learn to read between kingdom. Any law we fight freedom, soon get sweep like leaf from one. Voice of the people that I got talk. For real, echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't drown even when rain drop. Voice of the people that I got talk. Stand up. Chant it in a patois, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people that I got talk. Who a lead if the leader fear? Who a talk if we disappear? Yo, remember say the power they near, right there in your chest, my dear. Babylon love when you feel it. Can't see yourself big like miracle, but the river starts small, just trickle. Still mash down rock, just tickle. Say no. Echo from the ghetto to the hilltop, from the market straight to the boardwalk. Truth can't drown even when rain drop. Voice of the people that I got that. One love. Chant it in a bio, chant it in a psalm. Heartbeat drum, keep the rhythm calm. Voice of the people that I got talk. Got talk. Got talk. soul still wet from the tears when me never yet show. From the days me did hungry fret. Now me plant them pain and watch it grow. Man a reason where the breeze start. Ask life why you teach me so far. Every last turn ladder wrong, every cut turn all is scar. Them want quick feel, me want clear mind. Them want click, me want climb. So me chant when the world get dark, and my words light up the time. Yeah, songs written in a dust and fire. No breeze can blow them away. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to golden empire, just script can't decay. Songs written in a dust and fire, them there, every day. Oh, oh, oh. Babylon love shiny things. My love the truth were rough. My flow like river inspired. Them flow like little puddle stuff. Me talk to the youth on the lane, hold firm. No swap your soul when road bend up like cane. Still walk with a lion roll. See granny with a wrinkled palm. Still clap when the rhythm drop. She said, pick me, sing them song. From your chest, not from TikTok. So me carve them line like chisel. One rock where the tide can't sift. When life start talking riddle, my song are the answer give. Songs written in a dust and fire, no breeze can blow them away. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to golden empire, just script can't decay. Songs written in a dust and fire, them there, every day. When the ground get dry, still planting. When the night get low, still chanting. When the friend them gone, still hold your lane. Heart full of flame, can't dose the pain. From your day on, you still have chance. Build back life in a little slow dance. Every setback, still a secret sign. Every deep cut, carve the perfect line. Songs written in a dust and fire, no breeze can blow them away. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to golden empire, just script can't decay. Songs written in a dust and fire, them there, every day. Every day, yeah, them there, every day. Just on the window, fire in the choice star. Where them writing on the star. Whoa. Still live long after me gone. Then say, youth man, why you writing a dust while the breeze soon swipe? They say, watch when the fire ignite. It ran on the heart of the pills arrive. Real hole in my shoes, but my steps still firm. I get chance well, but the soul will learn. My pen is a full, it a dry it turn. Every little line is a yarn fear.
Songs written in dust and fire,
first star. We go right. Small mind or a bright youth future. Every scar a sweater, every fear a verse, every glass a lesson of how it goes. Stand firm in the fire when it's the ever tough. When you say see time, it's strong enough. It's strong enough. Songs written in dust and fire. Mysteric carved in a spirit. They might hype the flow, but the truth can't tire. Oh, best on fire. Songs written in dust and fire. From Ricotta to the Gideon. Writing my heart when the struggle drum fire. Dust and fire. Rub it in a dust, brother. Write it in a flame. Yes, it. Words we can't wipe out, lyrics we can't tell. Hear me now. Them I write them song pan chart. Me write mine pan ashes. Old scar carve up me heart, but still I bust new flashes. Ink dry, but my soul still wet. From the tears when me never yet show. From the days me did hungry fret. Now me plant them pain and watch it grow. Man a reason with the breeze. Star, ask life why you teach me so far. Every last turn ladder wrong. Every cut turn all is scar. Them want quick fame, me want clear mind. Them want click, me want climb. So me chant when the world get dark, and my words light up the time. Yeah. Songs written in a dust and fire. No breeze can blow them way. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to golden empire, just script can't decay. Songs written in a dust and fire. Them there every day. Babylon, love shiny things, me love truth, we're rough. Me flow like river in spade, them flow like little puddle stuff. Me talk to the youth on the lane, hold firm. No swap your soul when road bend up like yeah. Still walk with a lion roar. See granny with the wrinkled palm, still clap when the rhythm drop. She said, pick me sing them song from your chest, no from TikTok. So me carve them line like chisel, pan rock where the tide can't sift. When life start talking riddle, my song are the answer give. Yeah. Songs written in a dust and fire. No breeze can blow them way. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to golden empire, just script can't decay. Songs written in a dust and fire. Them there every day. When the ground get dry, still plant. When the night get low, still chant. When the friend them gone, still hold your lane. Heart full of flame, can't dose the pain. From your day you still have chance. Build back life in a little slow dance. Every setback still a secret sign. Every deep cut carve the perfect line. Songs written in a dust and fire. No breeze can blow them way. From gutter side dream to Zion choir, still I sing same way. From zinc fence life to gold on the window, fire in my chest. Star, words I'm writing on the sound, still live long after me done. Them say, you man, why you writing on those your degrees soon spy? They say, watch on the fire ignite it, brand on the heart of the page. I like it, hole in my shoes but my steps still firm. Pocket can't swell but the soul well learn. My pen is a bowl, it a draw deep down. Every little line is a life we earn. Some dripping in dust and fire, so we having a spirit higher. They might wipe the floor but the truth can't tire. Oh, dust and fire, some sitting in dust and fire. Running up like to the Gideon, light it by your heart like the troubled and choir. Dust and fire, them work up like instant tea. They ride slow like mango tree. Yes, with the roots, then shade for the street. Whole get to sit down and down my speech. Keep strong, my brother, that are more than that. A medicine leaf in a barefoot walk when the rent can't feel. I'm the light them, but is a one little line. Keep your head from those who ripe palm hole, star mashing it. Who ripe palm so that they can't decay. Got yourself from a live fat star. Big rise, small mind, other bright youth, you down. Every scar a stricter, every tear a worse. Every loss I listen, no call it burst. Stand firm in the fire when the day get rough. Tell you tell 3 times, strong enough, storm me bro. Some sitting in dust and fire, story carving a spirit higher. Them might ride the floor, but the truth can't tire. Dust and fire, some sitting in dust and fire. From the God that put the Gideon, fight it by your heart, where the struggle burn.